there, this is Barry from Barry J, and I wanted to show you a quick project where you could customize a pillow to your liking. If you have a pillow in your home and it has a zipper and you can take it off of the insert, you can do this project. I love when we have decor that is a little bit more custom and has a little bit more personality. On this pillow came without tassels, so I added tassels to it. I did pink on two corners and orange on the other two corners. And it just adds a little bit more punch and fun to your decor. So this is what you're gonna need for this project. You're gonna need a ball of yarn, something like an index card. This is a 4-inch business card, scissors, and an upholstery or a doll maker's needle. This is a 6-inch upholstery needle that I'm gonna use for this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my yarn, I'm just gonna wrap it like 50 times around this business card for a nice thick tassel. Now that I have that all wrapped on, I have a 12-inch piece of yarn and I'm going to put it right through the top of this. You see this is the end, so this is the top. This will be something like if you were gonna dangle this from a doorknob, you would have this just dangling there. This is going to be the piece that we put onto our pillow, how we attach it. So you don't wanna trim this until you're all done getting it onto the pillow. Okay, now that you've done that, you'll take your scissors and insert it behind the yarn, trim that off. Next, you're gonna want another piece of yarn so you can tie this tassel together and make sure your hanging ties are out of the way and you have this as neat as you can at the bottom, and you're just gonna tie this on. And then trim the excess. Then you're gonna take the bottom of the tassel and you're gonna give it a little haircut so it's nice and even and neat. And then your tassel is ready to attach. Now I've got this pillowcase. It's a throw pillow from my own store, barryjdesigns.com. It is a bouquet pillow, and I'm gonna put this in the corner. So I've got this corner here. I push that out with my finger and avoiding stabbing myself and putting the needle through. I've got both ends of the tassel threaded through the needle. It takes a little finagling, but you can pull it through. Once you've got that through, you take the needle off, and you're gonna tie this a whole bunch so it's a nice big knot in here so this never falls off. Then you're gonna trim that, and your tassel is on the corner, and you'll repeat for all 4 corners. On this pillow, I'm doing a pink in each corner and an orange in each corner. And now you have a pillow with personality.